Hi everyone! So this is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to announce that I am having a meetup again. This time it's going to be also in Denver, Colorado at Sally Centigrade Gallery for my upcoming solo show. The solo show's name is Lure and the theme is going to be mermaids. I'm so excited to share the paintings with you guys. I really hope you guys can make it to the meetup. I would love to just get to see some of you guys in person and give you a hug. The opening night is going to be from 5:30 to 9 p.m. on June 14th at the gallery. I'll have all the information on the screen and also in the description below, so you guys don't need to pause the video to take notes. I'll also be in Denver the following weekend, June 15th through 16th, to participate in Denver Comic-Con. It's going to be my very first Comic-Con. I'm super excited. I'll be hanging out at the Sally Centigrade booth and I'll have lots of fun little things for sale, and hopefully if you guys can't make it to the gallery opening, I'll at least get a chance to see you at Comic-Con. And to celebrate this, the folks at Sally Centigrade were nice enough to offer 2 free passes to get in Friday, and I'm gonna leave all the information again on the screen and in the description below, but we're gonna do a quick little giveaway for the Comic-Con passes for Friday, June 15th, and all you have to do to enter is to let us know in an Instagram post that you're going to be going to Denver that weekend and tag the gallery at Sally Centigrade. Just tagging the gallery is basically your entry for the contest, and we'll be randomly selecting a lucky winner to get in for free on Friday. So I can't wait to see you guys. I really hope that you guys can make it out, but even if you can't, I appreciate all of your support and encouragement in spirit. You guys are the best. I'm so excited to get the chance to meet you guys in person, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, week, wherever you are. I'm gonna get back to working on the solo show now because I don't want to let you guys down, but hopefully I can see you guys soon. Bye!